This is a hotel review. The most expensive and luxurious resort in Arizona.
Babe, what took you so long?
My gosh, I just decided to take a walk from California.
But you forgot it's Christmas. We have a special gift for our subscribers. And we just have like 5 minutes to hide it somewhere here.
So guys, keep watching and you will know where we hide this special gift card for you. Welcome to our room, guys! Woohoo! Oh my gosh! But first, review it. Let's go. It looks like pretty standard room, but they call it suite. So let's see what we have here. So tell me a little bit.
I like the concept a lot, you know? They have all the natural materials here, like very nice fabrics and this wooden fireplace, and look at this wooden carved ceiling.
Jumping.
Do you really think it was designed for that? And all the stone, and this is like natural wood as well. You know, you can't really find anything made in China, because even this singing bowl, it's here, made in Nepal, and even this plate, handmade in India.
Oh wow!
And
Let
this
me
stacking-
show you.
Wow, you're like a sound master. That's beautiful. That's very meditative, yeah?
Yeah.
And this one is from...
From India.
That's right.
Guys, I hope you see this. Oh my gosh. It's really old, but it's cool because made in US.
Yeah. I think it's because, you know, if you want to disconnect and you don't have your phone and you don't have your digital music, so that's when you have this handy, right?
Yeah, and this, like, look at this nightstand. It's a real stone. What? It's super dusty. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a crystal real stone.
And what do we have here? It
So
looks
what do we
like a
have here?
closet.
What's up?
Look inside.
Oh my gosh! Hi, how are you? Hello! I'm your dedicated housekeeper. How can I help you, sir? Okay, I'm ready to press your or her or like whatever you want. We have like limited time to like review this beautiful suite. I'm always here in your closet, and I'm sorry. See you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow, honey. Oh my gosh, it's like unbelievable, you know? Like it's the first time ever when we have like a housekeeper in our closet. The first when I touch this like sheets, I think like it's probably synthetic, but it's not. 100% cotton and made in Italy. And you know, like when you touch it, feel like a silk here, you know?
What about mattress? Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's a really good mattress.
Let's check it out. Our favorite part. Perfect sleeper. Diamond. Do you want to check the peak?
Yeah.
This is always funny. Do you see anything? Oh,
No, it's good. Yeah, it's good.
and even this cool wall. Look, it has the texture which distantly remains like it's a wooden one. Yeah.
Yeah. Babe, I love this fireplace.
Yeah.
It's actually so good. You can like lie here, drink some wine, you know, like. Guys, now we have like a special hike here, yeah?
Alexa, open the shades. Alexa, close the shades.
Shades is closed
That's a great automatic system.
by Andrew. Only $1.
Yeah, so you open a great $200 bottle of wine with this nice branded wine opener. And then you take this wine glass and you enjoy it.
Let me enjoy it as well.
Cheers.
It's a wine fridge.
The wine fridge, yeah, and you have some water and some nice purifier. You see it's sealed, like no one ever touched it, but I don't know how it appeared inside. Yeah, so you just pour like unseal it and you pour it into this wine glass.
That's probably my favorite part, but let's start from. Hello, my friend. How are you? How are you doing? Okay? Clean? Yeah, he's clean. He's really
And
clean.
they don't have any housekeeping. Can you imagine? They don't have housekeeping. I know it's this time of the year, but yeah, maybe on request they could clean something here, but otherwise only our dedicated housekeeper is on duty tonight. So what I love about this one is this. You see, we have a huge patio. This is just our patio. You see, it's like really big. And I don't know why they don't have any like soft mattress. I can't imagine myself just lying directly on it. But I really don't understand the space over here that is empty space. It's really weird. I mean, you could do a lot of nice things here. I mean, you can sit and work.
And like something wrong with this door, you see?
Oh, okay. It's not winning.
No, stop it. Stop it.
Hold it until the next.
No. Stop.
Thank you, sir. We asked our dedicated housekeeper to move to this closet just for a little while, so we could show what else do we have. Some laundry bag, 2 robes, some slippers. Everything is branded. Slippers are branded. I like it. It's a pretty good quality. It looks nice. Yeah. And we have a small.
It's a safe. It's not working. You see?
See, they gave us 2 bags
yeah.
with goodies, right? So this is a branded bag. You can write your name because probably they're giving it to every guest. And let's see what we have inside. So we have a water bottle. Remember we had the same in Hawaii?
Yeah, I remember.
You have a small bag. It's a cell phone sleeping bag. You see?
No way.
Unplugged, be present. This is a cell phone sleeping bag. So inside, you just have an extra mask, a pen, you have a hand sanitizer. You just have another like mask. Are we done with the review?
Yes.
I think you need to go and change because you've been walking in the same outfit for a week.
Probably yes. You're right. We should check common ground area.
Yeah, let's explore this place.
Yeah, let's explore.
North of Tucson, Arizona, on 400 acres of land, Miraval is an all-inclusive resort and spa designed for living life in the moment. The territory has the main resort area, which offers standard rooms and deluxe suites, as well as a newly added private 2- and 3-bedroom villas for an ultimate isolation. In 1995, Miraval emerged with a vision. Life is more meaningful and joyful when in balance. The guests enjoy weekly well-being creative programs with private and group classes, challenging courses, access to 3 luxury pools, body mindfulness center, and so much more. It's a digital device-free environment, all about creating a life in balance, healing the whole self, observing the nature, and engaging in the present moment.
Okay guys, as I promised, we are hiding this is special gift card for you. You see like sign over there, it's like Miraval, and we're like across the street, the biggest rock with number 11. Let's go. So right across the street, the biggest rock here is the number 11, and you see like it's a small heart. So this gift card special for you. I put in Ziploc. Don't forget, number 11, across the street this sign, Miraval, and you are the winner, I know. So guys, if you find this gift card, please shoot some video and send to us, like, and we're very happy to add you to our next vlog. Bye bye.
Or did you sleep?
Ready?
Do you have an umbrella?
Yeah, hold on please.
Yay, you got it. Oh. No way. Broken? Yeah, it's not in luck. They will have to run. And as for you, audience.
Run! Oh my gosh, the food was delicious, like every single dish like a piece of art, like, and everything included, but not wine. Wine you pay extra, like for breakfast you have pancakes, steaks, but not for breakfast, seafood, like everything like super yummy.
They have like 120 classes. I don't even know what to choose. They have yoga, breathing, advanced yoga, simple yoga, beginning yoga. Then they have equine classes. Then they have biking, mountain climbing, and everything in between. So I don't know how to choose. I don't even know how to choose. I mean, I feel like working out all the time here. It's really, you can do it wherever you want. And then at the end of the day, I just want to relax here and do nothing.
Babe, are you ready?
Yeah, so we just like packed all the stuff, and the bellman is gonna come and pick it up. So we have this tags to make sure it's
So all the stuff, someone pick it up, yeah?
Yeah, so they will just come and pick it up, which is nice. You don't have to carry the bags.
Cool.
Cool.